Welcome back students to the session, and we will continue with the session of the lesson mensuration, and under that is the surface area. So the next one what we are going to take is the volume of a room is 5760 cubic units if the length and width of room are 24 units and 20 units. You have to find the height of the room. So now this is the question. So here your solution will be what? You have first your volume of room. You all know what it is, 5760. Your length is how much? 24. Your breadth is how much? 20. Write your length and your breadth. Okay. So now over here you have been given the volume of the room and length 24, breadth is 20. So your volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So 5760 is equal to 24 into 20 into your height. So 5760 is equal to 24 into 20 will give you, now you directly you can do your height upon 24 into 20. So therefore your height is not nothing else but 12 units. So now the volume of the room, again I am explaining the volume of the room. They have given you the question as 5760 units, and its length and the width of the room are 24 units and 20 units. So you have to find the height of the room. So volume of the room, how much they have given, alright, all given whatever it is, given in the sum. Volume of the room is 560, length is 24, breadth is 20, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So your volume, they have already given you 5760 is equal to length 24, breadth 20 into height. You have to find out the height. So 560 upon 24 upon into 20 will give you 560 upon 24 into 20 will give you nothing else but 12 units. So here they have asked you to find out the height. So height is 12 units. Okay. The next sum. How much sand is needed to fill a pit that is 10 meter deep, 8 meter wide and 12 meter long. Okay, so here your volume of cuboid is what? Length into breadth into height. Okay, so now over here will be what? 10 into 8 into 12. 10 is 80, 80 into 12 will give you 960 meter. Okay, so now how much sand is needed to fill a pit that is 10 meter deep, 8 meter wide and 12 meter long? Okay, that means here they have given you what? Your length into breadth into height will be the formula for volume of cuboid. Length is how much? 10. Breadth is how much? 8. Height is how much? 12. So 10 into 8, 80. 80 into 12 will give you 960 meter cube. So this will be your answer. Now the next question, I am giving you a variety of sums, so you will be able to understand it. Next, The surface area of cube is 1350 centimeter square. Okay, you have to find the volume of cube. So here your solution will be surface area of cube is equal to what? 6a square. 1350 is equal to 6a square. A square is equal to 1350 divided by 6. A square is equal to root of 225. A is what? Nothing else. Now you have to find out what? You have to find out the volume of cube. That is equal to A cube. That is equal to 15 cube. That is equal to 15 into 15 into 15, which will give you 3375 centimeter cube. Okay, so here for the sum, the surface area of the cube they have given you 1350 centimeters square. You have to find the volume of the cube. So here first you have to find out the surface area of the cube, which is 6a square. So here surface area of the cube is 1350 is equal to 6a square. So a square is equal to 1350 divided by 6, which will give you root of 225 is equal to a square. You have to find out the volume of the cube, which will be a cube. That is equal to how much answer we have got is equal to 15. Okay, a is how much? 15. So here a cube will be what? 15 cube. That is equal to 15 into 15 into 15 will give you 3375 centimeter cube. So you have found out the volume of cube, which is 3375, that is 3375 centimeter cube. So this is the sum of that particular answer. Next is, we'll take the 9th sum. A cube has a surface area of 600 meter square. What is the area of one face? So now, surface area of cube, as the previous sum we had done 6a square that is equal to, now 6a square, now the surface area how much we have given 600, so a square is equal to 600 divided by 6, so a square is equal to 100. So here what I have asked you, find the area, what is the area of one face? So one face will be 100. So here the cube has a surface area of 600. They have already given you the surface area which is 600 meters square. You have to find out the area of the surface of one face. So surface area of the cube will be 6a square. So surface area is how much? 600 is equal to 6a square. So a square is equal to 600 upon 6. So a square is equal to 100. So the area of one face will be 100. Okay. Next we are going to take the other sum. The cubes of side 7 centimeter which are joined together to form a cuboid. You have to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. You have to find it. Okay. So now over here, what you are going to do is you have got the height of cuboid. Now your height of cuboid is how much? 7 centimeter. Your breadth is how much? Again it will be 7 centimeter. So here your total surface area of cuboid will be nothing 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. That is equal to 2 into 28 into 7 plus 7 into 7 plus 7 into 28. 2 into 28 into 7 will be 196. 7 7s are 49 plus 28 into 7 will be 196, which will give you what 2 into, when you add together everything, 441, that is equal to 882 centimeter square. Okay, so now over here, that means your surface area of the resulting cuboid will be 882 centimeter square. Again explaining the sum is, you have to find the cubes of the side which is 7 centimeter and they are joined together to form a cuboid. Okay. So now you have to find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So here your height of the cuboid and the breadth of the cuboid, it is how much? 7 centimeter. So your total surface area of cuboid will be 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus the height into length. So you have substituted the value and you are getting the final answer as 882 centimeter square. Now, you have got the 11th sum. You have to find the total surface area and lateral surface area of cubical box, which is, I'll try to give you something in decimal also, okay, so that you can solve it. 3.5 meter long, 1.5 meter broad and 2.5 meter height. Okay, so you have to find out what? You have to find out the total surface area and the lateral surface area of a cubical box whose length, breadth and height is given to you. So here we are going to solve it. That is your lateral surface area of cuboid is equal to what? Is equal to 2 into length plus breadth into height. 2 into length is 3.5 plus 1.5 into height is 2.5. So 2 into 5 into 2.5, which will be 10 into 2.5 into 25 meter square. This will be what? Your lateral surface area of cuboid. So here you have got what? 2 into length plus breadth into height. So here 2 into length is 3.5 and the breadth is 1.5, which is already given to you all in the sum, into height is 2.5. So 3.5 plus 1.5 will give you 5 into 2.5. So 5 2s are 10 into 2.5. So 10 into 2.5 will give you 25 meters square. This is what your LSA of cuboid, that is lateral surface area of the cuboid. Next we are going to find out the TSA of cuboid, that is total surface area of cuboid. Okay, so here total surface area of cuboid, again 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, which will give you 2 into 3.5 into 1.5 plus 1.5 into 2.5 plus 0.75, which will give you 25.5 meter square. This will be your final answer. Now, totals, I have already explained you about the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Now, total surface area of cuboid, again here it will be 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Substituting the value to it, which all is a length, your breadth, height. So here 3.5 into 2 is 1.5 plus 1.5 into 2.5 plus 3.5 into 2.5. So here 3.5 into 1.5 about 5.5. Now plus 1.5 into 2.5 about 3.75 and 3.5 into 2.5 will give you nothing else but 8.75. So here you are adding everything, that is 5.25 plus 3.75 plus 8.75, which gives you 17.75 into 2. That will be 35.5 meter square. So here your TSA of cuboid, that is total surface area of cuboid, is nothing else than 35.5 meter square, and your LSA, that is lateral surface area of cuboid, is, you are getting after evaluating it to the formula, it is 25 meter square. So these are the answers for this particular sum. Now the next one is, you have to find the volume of cuboid which is 15 centimeter long, 12 centimeter wide and 10 centimeter is high. This is the height. Okay. So here you have to find out what volume of cuboid, that will be length into breadth into height. Length, how much they have given you? 15. Breadth, how much they have given you? 12. Into height, how much? 10. So 15 into 12 into 10 will give you 1800 centimeter cube. So this will be the answer for the volume of cuboid. You have to find out the volume of the cuboid. So you have got 1800 centimeter. They have given you the length, they have given you the breadth, and they have given you the height also. So here you are writing the formula of volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, that is equal to length is 15, breadth is 12 and height is 10. 15 into 12 into 10 will give you 1800 centimeter cube. So here the volume of cuboid, they have given you all and you have got the answer. The volume of cuboid is nothing else but 1800 centimeter cube. This is your answer. And we have lots of variety of something that is explaining to you. Next, the volume of a room is 120 meter cubed and the area of its floor is 30 meter cubed. You have to find the height of the room. Okay, so now over here what you are going to do is, you have got the volume is equal to what? Length into breadth into height. So here now area is equal to length into breadth. Now here what you are going to do, your height is equal to length into length into breadth into height upon length into breadth. That is equal to how much? Length into breadth into height will give you 120 upon 30 will give you 44. Okay, you can do this way or you can do one more way, that is volume of room is equal to volume your area of height. So here 120 is equal to 30 into height. So height is equal to 120 upon 30. So your height is equal to 4. Okay, now you can do either by this method or that method, whichever is easier for you. The volume of a room they have given you 120 meter cube and the area of its floor is 30 meter cube. You have to find the height of the room. So here volume is equal to length into breadth into height. So area is equal to length into breadth into height. Okay. Now here height is equal to what? Length into breadth into height upon length into breadth. That is equal to 120 upon 30 will give you 4. Or you can take this formula as volume of the room is equal to volume of the floor. So volume of the room is 120 is equal to area of the height. So 120 is equal to area of the height is how much? 30. Area is how much? 30 into height. You have to find out the height. So height is equal to 120 divided by 30, which will give you 4. So here the height is how much? It is 4. Okay. Now the next one. Now I'll stop over here for this particular lesson. I have finished with this particular lesson, and right now I'm going to start with the new lesson, which is called as your ratio and proportion. So surface area and the mensuration surface area lesson is over. I'm starting with a new lesson which is called as your ratio and proportion. I'll stop over here and I'll continue with the new session. Thank you.